Hey lovies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. Today I got a jam-packed video filled with tons of motivation for you guys. I know I'm here starting off in the kitchen because you know I love starting in the kitchen because that's normally the most messiest part of the house for me. So I like to get that done first, get it all the way that way. If I run out of time, at least I know that area is clean and whatever is left after, I can do it at a later time or the next day. But I have some groceries I need to put away. I'm going to clean the kitchen. I'm going to tackle the playroom. I have some laundry I need to do also. Yeah, so stick around for that, guys. Oh, and then tomorrow is trash day, so I need to sort the trash and all of that. But if you are new here, please do consider subscribing, leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend or family who might need some motivation. And don't forget to say hi in the comments. Let me know. I love to chat with you guys. I mean, I consider you guys friends and family. So please do say hello in the comments. So guys, I am really trying to get as much done as I can within under hour. Like I have 1 hour and I'm trying to get as much done as I can before the hour ends. So stick around to see if that actually happens. I was shocked. I really got this kitchen done within 20 minutes. Normally it will take me way longer along with sorting the trash. I was really moving fast, guys. I'm not even exaggerating. I speed up the video, but I was really moving fast like a mad woman. Listen, this day, and it worked. It worked because I got it done in time and I was super proud of myself. guys, this just amazes me. I spent last week over 8 hours. I mean, between 4 to 6 hours. Just no, I spent over 8 hours setting up this play area and reorganizing the code and everything, and it's just a whole mess. Like, I had a whole system plan, and Obi was like, "What are you doing?" The girls didn't care about those system, but I still wanted a system. I mean, it'll work for them. But this little one here running around, she went in and she just turned everything upside down. So my system is no longer working, but it's still functional enough. And if you guys made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment down below, and give this video a thumbs up. Until next time, guys, have a blessed week, blessed day, blessed month, and a fabulous year.